Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for all your contributions. It has been a very fruitful, interesting, stimulating day. Um, yes, how to start? Um, uh, in our society, which sometimes is called the post-truth society, where we speak a lot about infobesity. We all are knowing that internet is an amazing source of information, but this is also a big mess where you can spend your life to lose yourself. But sometimes you find very, and of course very often we all are able to find very useful, interesting, relevant information, and we need to continue and um, to have our life more facilitated within this environment. So, of course, from for many of us, which are working for the GLAMs or also for colleagues from the public sector in general, we more and more we have to more and more to work for with taking into consideration the end user expectations, the end user needs. So how can we facilitate their life within this big mess? And of course, linked open data is one of the possible answer. This is of course, and I'm I was already sure about that, but I'm now more convinced at the end of this afternoon than this morning that link open data is a crucial question, a crucial possible answer for GLAMs, especially libraries. But of course, this is perhaps the most easiest things to do, confirming that this is important. How to do that? How to do that systematically? How to increase? How to link all the data we have? Because as a national library, we have one of the biggest databases related to the cultural heritage, or in our case, the Belgian cultural heritage. How can we contribute to this society of information in a more consistent way? That's not so easy to do. Accessibility is not enough. So just the fact to give access to our data, including inconsistent data, including uh, lost data, is not enough. We need for interoperability. We need to be able to interconnect them. Sorry, with other databases. This is what you one more time demonstrated today. We need to produce data which are understandable, readable for human beings, but not only and certainly uh, also readable for machines. So we need reliability. So how to do that? Um, Authorities in the European context helps us on a certain way. I think about the recent Open Data Directive. We also, and you said today that uh, on the operations, it still need an enormous effort of money, human beings, expertise. So that's not so easy to do. Um, there are many questions every time for every project. What do we have to do? Developing new tools, reusing existing tools? This is not a simple answer because the answer could be different in function of the project. But I was amazed, in fact, to see today how rich, how diversified are the available offer today. So perhaps this is a good moment to start without reinventing the wheel. So this study day today, I think, in my opinion, this study day gave the opportunity to to make a kind of state of the art of linked open data in Belgium and around. We saw the role of universities, the role of public institutes, the importance of collaboration, of course, and the LODE ISNI project funded by within the BRAIN program is, of course, a very good example of that. But you also increase you also contributed to increase an impression for myself that the most difficult thing will be not to start with loads, but to evolve from project-based approach toward a more structural, systematical lot publication policy for the library. So that's, of course, the final goal for us. And this cannot be improvised. I was also very happy to see today, thanks to this project, that we KBR are finally on the train, on the LOT train, that we are starting dealing with this kind of very important topics. Several punctual initiatives already have been made, but nothing really important. And at the end, of course, the latest presentation reminds us the importance of international associations and possibility to bring together lessons, backgrounds, to organize surveys, to precise the needs, to publish guides, recommendations, suggest methodologies, to help every stakeholder to set up a structure. That's, of course, very important. So I would like to finish my little speech with one of the latest sentences I heard today. Don't be afraid. Let's start. Just start. But of course, with the final goal, working together to a shared and a clear enough within a clear strategy. So I would like to thank very much the organizer of this study day and the moderator Anne van Kamp, and of course all about the speakers and the participants. Thank you very much.